In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access documentation on Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where the official Cloudflare docs live and how to get to them quickly from your dashboard so you can find accurate, up-to-date answers whenever you need them. Start by opening your Cloudflare account and signing into your dashboard. Once you're in, you should see the standard dashboard view for your account with your sites and services listed. If you manage more than one account, make sure you're in the right one before moving on. The interface can evolve over time, but the path to the documentation is consistent and easy to follow. Next, look toward the top right area of the dashboard for the support option. Depending on your screen size or theme, it might appear as a support label or as a small question mark icon that opens the support menu. Click that. If your window is compact, you might need to expand the view or look for a help icon in the header. The goal is simply to open Cloudflare's support menu from within your account. From the support menu that pops up, click Documentation. This is the official curated documentation from Cloudflare. Selecting this option will take you directly to the Cloudflare docs site, typically in a new browser tab, so your dashboard remains open and untouched in the background. Here is where you can see the documentation in full. You'll find a clear search bar at the top, and the content is organized by product and topic, such as networking, security, performance, developer tools, and account management. On the left, a navigation panel lets you browse categories and drill into specific guides. Pages usually include prerequisites, step-by-step instructions, code samples where appropriate, and links to related topics. If you're looking for something specific, try the exact product name or a precise feature term to narrow the results. Many pages include a last updated note, which is helpful for confirming you're reading the most recent guidance. If you rely on certain features often, consider bookmarking those pages so you can return to them quickly later. When in doubt, start with the Getting Started sections for high-level overviews, then move into feature-specific guides as you need more detail. That's all there is to it. Open your Cloudflare account, click Support, click Documentation, and explore the official guides from there. With this path, you'll always know where to find trusted information straight from the source.